Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a fun video where I did my makeup with all of my new Wicked for Good r.e.m beauty products. I got pretty much the whole collection. There are a few things I didn't get, but I wanted to do a full face of makeup with them. And of course, I'm wearing a little Glinda tank that I have that I got off Etsy. I'll tag the shop below, but I had to represent, and I think today I am going to start with using the Glinda kit, but I do also have the Aussian Forest palette, as well as the Pretty as a Poppy as well as the Pretty as a Poppy plumping lip gloss that I want to try. And I don't know, because there is a lip product in here already, but we're going to see what we can do to sort of see if we can get a full face with this stuff. But I do have my other r.e.m beauty products that I'm going to use as a base, which is my foundation. And also I do have the Halo Glow and Quartz, which I do like to add with my foundation. But if you didn't know, the Quartz color is the Glinda color from the Wicked collab from the first time. So I think it'll be fun to use that, to add that in there. And then, yeah, I think those are going to be... but yes, so the main thing we're going to be using are these products here, and we're going to do a full face, and I'll be showing you everything and swatching everything from the new collab. Since Wicked for Good is right around the corner, I'm very excited to be doing this. Yay! So I'm going to go ahead and prep my face, and then we are going to get started with the products. Actually, to be fair, we're not going to use this because it is technically not a Wicked collab item. We're only going to be using these items that are for the collab. So let me prep my face and let's jump in. Okay, I completely also forgot that I got the blush palette and the brush as well. So we'll be using this and adding it to it. So first we're going to get started with our eyes. That's the first thing that I usually like to focus on. And although this does come with an eye kit, this is supposed to be like a full kit that you use for your eye makeup. I wanted to... I will be using this as a layer of eyeshadow, but I'm going to do the base with the Wicked r.e.m Beauty Aussian Forest. Now, if you haven't seen it, it's a beautiful palette. I mean, absolutely gorgeous. So I'm probably going to start with these two colors here on the inner eye and then the front, and then we're going to do all over and the edge of the eye with this, which is Bubble of Brilliance from the Glinda package here. The packaging for all of this is so beautiful. And yeah, so this is what we're starting with. All right, so I think we're going to start with the inner corner, which is going to be Oz Teeny. If you can see that on my finger, it's that silvery. I think we're gonna put that in the corner of our eye. I think it just makes the most sense. So I love a little sparkle in the corner of the eye. Actually, it's pretty like sparse. It's like, not sparse, like separate, because it's like actual glitter. So I think I'm gonna go in as a base with, I think it's Confusifying. If you can see that on my finger just barely, that tan, I think I'm gonna go in with that as a base. I think that'll be a smarter idea here. Set us up for success. Just as a base, sort of have something on there. It like matches my skin tone almost perfectly, which crazy. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with that silver Oz Teeny right in the middle. Wow, that's really pretty. I don't know if you can see it, but the sparkle, like, look at that. Oh my gosh, so shimmery. Okay, and then we're also going to go in to add a little pink in there with, I don't know if you can see it on my finger, it kind of looks like a highlight. You kind of see it. My thing is not going to focus, but This is Festivate. What a crazy, crazy name. And that's just gonna go here on the end to add a little, in the middle and the end here, to add a little pink to the silver. It's like a pinky purple. It's also very shimmery. Okay, really nice. Wow. Wow, beautiful. Okay, so then now next for the eyes, we're gonna go in with Bubble of Brilliance. And this is a beautiful, can you see? Beautiful purple here. I mean, look at that. Wow, beautiful. We're just gonna do that on our eyes. And this is sort of going to be all over the lid. And then I'm just gonna blend it out with my fingers. Wow, I see it shimmering in my like peripheral. It blends in with the other colors nicely. Wow. All right, so look at that. That is with all of the eyeshadows and the liquid eyeshadow. I think it looks so fun. All right, so cute. So next, out of the things we have a little bit, we have a blush, we have a, what is this? I Come and Go by Bubble All Over Glow Stick. So I think since this is so pretty, like, look how sparkly and fun that is. I think this can go on top of our blush, which is so fun because that means we get to use the Cherry Blossom palette, which I'm so excited for. This has 3 beautiful blush colors and we're going to use them today. I also, of course, have the Cherry Blossom blush brush that I'm going to use. And so I think for this look today, I'm going to start with the matte color, which is Cherry Blossom, and then move into the Sunset and Oz to sort of add it. Okay, look at that. All right. Oh, wow. I don't know if you can see it, but it's so pink. Wow. This is so fun. Oh my gosh, so fun. Do a little bit here. I usually do a little bit of blush up here too, and then up here, just to give color to my face. Wow, this brush is amazing. The bristles are so soft and it blends so well. I might not have just had a new brush in a while, but this is a fantastic brush. Oh my God, and the blush is so beautiful. Okay, so then we're gonna take the middle one, which again is Sunset in Oz, and just do a little at the ends here. Wow, this is pretty. This is so pretty. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. Do you see that? I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with that. Wow, okay, so then we're gonna do the little topper, which I've heard a lot of good things about the topper. It's I Come and Go by Bubble All Over Glow Stick, so you really use it for highlighter, whatever, but I want to use it on top of the blush here. Sparkle, and then where I'd normally put highlight, which is under my eyebrows, here. And on my nose. We're going to blend it and see what happens. Can't really see this on my cheeks, but I can see it on my eyes. Oh, there it goes. You can see it now. Woo! Sparkle. How fun is that? Wow. think I want to add a little bit more blush, you guys. Let's add some down here. I think that'll help. As far as my lips, I have a couple of things I can do. So we do have the lip liner pencil in Toss Toss, which is a beautiful color. Let me see if I can. You see that? Beautiful color. The Glossy Bomb in Tap to Bubble. But I kind of want to use this. So I'm going to use the lip liner and the plumping one because I think that is going to be more like, you know, being fair to everybody, I think, to be doing that. So first we're going to go in with the lip liner Toss Toss. I just recently started using lip liner. I've actually not really done it before. And then found what I liked recently. Sort of fell in love with using it. So I hope these colors make sense to go together. But, so this is the plumping Poppy. And this is in Pretty as a Poppy. Okay, let's see. I got it on my tongue, I can feel it burning. It is so funny. Wait, this lip color. I'm obsessed with this lip combo, you guys. If none of this was worth it, this lip combo, oh my God, I just found my new favorite lip combo. I have not found one that I love. Everything is too pink, but like, this is fantastic. This is the final look using half of the Wicked collab. I also have the Elphaba one, which I will do another little video for, but this is me with a full face of the Wicked for Good collab right before the movie is coming out. And of course, to top it all off, since we are doing a Glinda-inspired look today, I do have my Glinda perfume, and we are just going to end our little Glinda makeup look with that, and with the Toss Toss. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. I absolutely love all of these makeup products. They're so beautiful and so sparkly, and that's exactly what I love. So I do recommend, if it's available to you at your Ultas, to go and get some of these products. The eyeshadows are so pigmented. The sparkles and everything are so like super sparkly and just like there. Wow. This lip gloss is amazing. I can feel it plumping right now as we speak. And I don't know, the lip liner color is perfect. I'm literally obsessed with this collection. I can't wait to break into my Elphaba one. And I've recently gotten a lot of r.e.m beauty products and loved all of them. So I cannot recommend it enough. And I hope you enjoyed watching me do this little Glinda-inspired makeup look. And yeah, I will see you guys next week. Thanks for watching. Thank you guys for watching. See you next week.